Emacs keybindings in ZSH not working. Ctrl-A, Ctrl-E. My Emacs keybindings in ZSH are not working. Ctrl-A. I use ZSH on OS X. They might be bound to some other thing. I'm currently using my ZSH, and my .zshrc is over here.
I got the problem solved. Looks like my ZSH was overriding the default keybindings. When I added the below line at the end of my .zshrc, Ctrl and Ctrl-A worked.
Generally speaking, you can find the code of a key by typing Ctrl-V and the key. You can then use this key with bind key to map it to a ZSH keyboard functionality, e.g. beginning of line. In your specific case that would be Ctrl-V Ctrl-S and Ctrl-V Ctrl-E. Then you can put the code in your .inputrc, the system for etc. inputrc, or your .zshrc like this. This works for other keys too. For instance, I had some trouble with home and end. You should be able to use this trick in any terminal session, TTY.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.